How do you say baby girl in Spanish? Mamacita. Repeat after me. Mamacita. How do you say daddy? Papacito. Repeat after me. Papacito. Spanish is easy with me. Just give me 1 minute every day. How do you say sweetheart? Bombón. Repeat after me. Bombón. How do you say come in Spanish? It's ven. Repeat after me. Ven. How do you say listen? It's escucha. Repeat after me. Escucha. Spanish is easy with me. Just give me 1 minute every day. How do you say look? It's mira. Repeat after me. Mira. How do you say look at me? It's mírame. Repeat after me. Mírame. Keep watching if you want to learn Spanish. How do you say calm down? Cálmate. Repeat after me. Cálmate. How do you say go away in Spanish? It's vete. Repeat after me. Vete. Leave a comment with your favorite Spanish word. How do you say hurry up? It's apúrate. Repeat after me. Apúrate. How do you say give up in Spanish? It's ríndete. Repeat after me. Ríndete. How do you say shut up in Spanish? It's cállate. Follow me for daily Spanish lessons. How do you say shit in Spanish? It's mierda. Repeat after me. Mierda. How do you say bullshit? It's mentiras. Repeat after me. Mentiras. Spanish is easy with me. Just give me 1 minute every day. How do you say shut up in Spanish? It's cállate. Repeat after me. Cállate. How do you say asshole? It's imbécil. Repeat after me. Imbécil. Keep watching if you want to learn Spanish. How do you say bitch? It's puta. Repeat after me. Puta. How do you say dog in Spanish? It's perro. Repeat after me. Perro. Leave a comment with your favorite Spanish word. How do you say drunk in Spanish? It's borracho. Repeat after me. Borracho. How do you say mother-in-law in Spanish? It's suegra. Repeat after me. Suegra. Follow me for daily Spanish lessons. How do you say honey? Amorcito. Repeat after me. Amorcito. Keep watching if you want to learn Spanish. How do you say baby? Bebé. Repeat after me. Bebé. How do you say cutie? Chiquita. Repeat after me. Chiquita. Leave a comment with your favorite Spanish word. How do you say handsome? Guapa. Repeat after me. Guapa. How do you say gorgeous? Precioso. Repeat after me. Precioso. Follow me for daily Spanish lessons.